So I'm going to show you how to do aftercare when you get microblading done. Make sure you inform your clients after microblading to wash or use a wet cotton pad to clean the eyebrows gently, just like this. Make sure to take off all the lymph which is coming out after microblading, and then with a dry cotton pad or Kleenex, you can pad it dry like this, and then apply the ointment with the Q-tip, a very thin layer over your eyebrows. So they have to repeat this process every 2 hours on the first day only, and from the second day to day 5 they can apply this ointment either 2 times, 3 times, as much as it's needed they have to apply. So here I show you how to do the aftercare instruction, and make sure you inform your clients after the treatment to follow this aftercare, because 50% of the treatment is really depending on the aftercare. So with the cotton pad or with the warm water, ask your client to wipe off the eyebrows, so the excess lymph which is coming out of the eyebrow on the first day, they have to make sure they clean it and they don't let it to get crossed over the eyebrow. And then with the dry cotton pad or Kleenex, they can pad it dry, make sure it's dry, and then with the Q-tip they can apply a very thin layer of the ointment over the eyebrows. So they have to repeat this procedure every 2 to 3 hours on the first day, and from the second day they can apply the ointment maybe 2 or 3 times, as much as it's needed, that depending on their skin type. So make sure if they have oily skin, they don't apply too much of the ointment, but with the normal to dry skin, they can use the ointment either 2 times, 3 times, as much as is needed they can use. So they have to avoid swimming, heavy exercising that make sweat. So they have to basically prevent from getting direct sun for like if they're going somewhere hot, they have to make sure to cover. Avoid going to hot tub or any steam rooms. They have to avoid all of these for next following 2 weeks after the treatment. And after 4 weeks, your client can see the maximum result. So that means within the first 2 weeks, the color of the pigment getting 40% lighter. And that's a normal process of healing. So if your client see the color is coming off and skin is getting flaky, that's all normal. So they have to wait until next 4 weeks, and then they can judge the result.